Students, today we will read and understand lesson number 11 of Sulabh Bharti class 5, Indhan Bachat. Indhan means fuel. Fuel could be of any kind. It could be of petrol, it could be your coal, it could be wood, it could be even your LPG which you use in your kitchen. Okay, Bachat is saving. So, fuel saving. Lesson number 11, fuel saving. So from this picture you can make out that there is a boy, girl, and probably someone is telling someone to save the fuel over here. So let's read the lesson and understand who is instructing whom. Dinuची आई आजारी होती. Dinu's mother, I is mother, Dinu is the name of this boy. Dinu's mother was ill, आजारी. See, can you see the picture where one lady is sleeping? So Dinu's mother was ill. तो स्वयंपाक घरात आईसाठी चहा करत होता. He was making tea. For whom? For his mother. Where? In the kitchen. स्वयंपाक घरात means kitchen. आईसाठी for his mother. Chaha is tea. So he was making tea for his mother in the kitchen. दारावरची बेल वाजली. Dar is your door. So the door bell. Bell वाजली means rang. The doorbell rang. त्याने दार उघडले. He opened the door. उघडले to open. तर समोर त्याची वर्ग मैत्रीण फातिमा उभी होती. So when he opened the door, समोर means in front. Who was there? His class friend. वर्ग is class friend. Fatima was standing there. त्याने तिला घरात बोलावले. He called her inside the house. बोलावले means to call. घरात is inside the house. Now there is a conversation happening between Dinu and Fatima. What does Dinu says? Fatima, ye bas. Fatima, come and sit. Fatima, Dinu tu काय करतोस? Dinu, what are you doing? Dinu, आईसाठी चहा करतोस. What does Dinu says? I am making tea for mother. आईसाठी for mother. करतोस making. तुझ्यासाठीही करू का? Should I make for you as well? This is a question mark. So he is asking her a question. Should I make for you as well? Fatima हसत हसत laughingly, नको. मी चहा घेत नाही. No, I don't take tea. घेत नाही. I don't take tea. काय रे? What is this? एक कप चहा करण्यासाठी एवढं मोठं पातेलं. एक कप चहा means to make 1 cup of tea. करण्यासाठी is to make 1 cup of tea. This big vessel. So what does Dinu says? काय बिघडलं? So what's wrong? फातिमा, अरे छोटे पातेलं घेतले असतंस तर पाणी लवकर उकळलं असतं. So Fatima explains him that if you would have taken a smaller vessel, छोटा, smaller vessels, then the water would have boiled earlier. Dinu, हे माझ्या लक्षात आलंच नाही. I did not realize this. अरे छोट्या पातेल्यामुळे चहा लवकर झाला असता. Tea would have been made earlier if you would have used a smaller vessel. छोट्या पातेल्यामुळे चहा लवकर is quickly would have happened before, quickly झाला असता. आणि हो, इंधनाची म्हणजे गॅसचीही बचत झाली असती. So you would have saved fuel, that is the gas. You would have saved the fuel as well. समजले? Understood? समजलं आणि लक्षातही आलं. Understood and now it has registered also. Means now I will remember also. दिनूने चहा कपात ओतला. दिनू poured the tea in the cup आणि आईला नेऊन दिला and he took it to his mother. So lesson learned over here is to save the fuels. You can use public transport, you can use solar energy, you can use cycle, you can, while cooking the food, you can cover the lid. There's so many ways to save fuel. I hope you've understood the lesson well, student. Thank you.